Introducing the Tipping Point Change Management Simulation. The Tipping Point computer simulation sits at the heart of the Change, Dialogue and Action workshop, providing an interactive way of learning about change and how it may most effectively be led. The simulation allows workshop participants to experience the dynamics of organizational change firsthand. The two main ideas built into the Tipping Point model of change are the employee's attitudes to change, which evolve over time, and the 7 levers of change. The levers of change are actions leaders can take to create the right environment and motivations required for ideas to spread. There are 4 possible attitudes to change defined within the model. Advocates have expertise in the area to be changed and recognize its potential value. Incubators are thinking about the change and trying to understand what it could bring. Apathetics are uninterested in the change, and they may perceive it as the flavor of the month, or they might just not have heard about it. Resistors are working either covertly or overtly against the change. The 7 levers, when used together and with attention to side effects, can move people towards becoming advocates of new ideas and reduce their inclination to become resistors or return to apathy. In the Change, Dialogue and Action workshop, participants use the simulator to experiment with different ways of leading change and immediately see the outcomes of their strategies. This opportunity to test and explore makes the Tipping Point methodology the most powerful, fun and engaging way of learning about the complex subject of change. Learn more about the 7 levers of change through Creating Contagious Commitment or through a Change, Dialogue and Action workshop in your organization.